Alright, hey guys, it's midday. Today I'm going to be covering some science. So we got biology, it's green world. It's a green world, mofo. And we are just going to wait for this to load. My crappy internet. Okay. It has loaded. Ecology and the local environment, photosynthesis, leaves and photosynthesis, diffusion and osmosis, transport in plants, plants need minerals, decay and farming. I reckon I can do all of that. I haven't done this before. Ecology and the local environment. That's pretty much from B1 to 3, I think. Okay, we'll just do all of these. We'll do the hard tests as well, just to make this interesting. Oh, and that's an easy test. Okay. Apologize for background noise, but okay. This morning, being annoyed by my dad. Okay. Photosynthesis, silent here. What gas is needed for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, not oxygen. Don't get it mixed up with respiration. What type of energy is needed for photosynthesis to happen? Light energy. The waste byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen. Tomatoes in a greenhouse grow faster if the carbon dioxide concentration is increased. This shows that carbon dioxide concentration must be a limiting factor. Photosynthesis can be summarized by which word equation? Carbon dioxide plus water makes glucose plus oxygen. Van Helmont's experiment using a tree in a pot shows that plants growth cannot be only due to minerals from the soil. Van Helmont actually did an experiment on willow trees, on a willow tree in a pot, and he showed that the plant's growth, the mass that it had, or the mass that it grew and gained, wasn't only from the minerals in the soil, but from a gas in the air. He wasn't able to actually pinpoint what gas this was, as later scientists have pinpointed that it was actually carbon dioxide, which was used in the photosynthesis. But what the flip? Keep current. What? Oh, my computer's being slow. Alright, yeah. Let's check it. No, it's fine. Okay, yeah, so other scientists pinpointed that it was the carbon dioxide in the air, and Helmont basically found out that it wasn't only because of minerals. Next, which substances do plants convert glucose into for storage? Starch, fats and oils. When do plants respire? All the time, else they'd be dead after dying. During photosynthesis, light energy is used to split water to release hydrogen ions and oxygen ions. Oxygen is the byproduct, so waste byproduct, so obviously it's going to be released. Hydrogen ions are used in respiration. They are sent through the palisade layer towards the mesophyll layer, where they make double covalent bonds. They make double covalent bonds of hydrogen ions, and are then used in the photosynthesis process. Oh wait, no, that's light. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. Sorry, no, I'm joking. It's basically, yeah, I can't think of it. Anyway, 10. One reason why plants use insoluble substances for storage. They do not move away because they're insoluble in solution. again. Let's go over checking that. Next part, leaves and photosynthesis, higher tier. How do the materials needed for photosynthesis enter the plant? Water through the root hairs and carbon dioxide through the stomata. Mesophyll is a tissue in the plant. It carries out photosynthesis. These are mesophyll. Waxy layer A, waxy cuticle, yeah, and underneath here as well. In the diagram, palisade layer C. Sponge mesophyll layer D. Stomata. What was that? E. The role of xylem and phloem in the vascular bundle is to transport substances around the plant. Which leaf layer contains the most chloroplasts? Palisade layer. What process delivers carbon dioxide to the chloroplast? Diffusion. Why do plants have more than one photosynthetic pigment to absorb light from different parts of the spectrum? If they only absorbed blue light, then they obviously wouldn't be absorbing a lot. If they only absorbed red, same story. Check score. And next, test back. What is diffusion? Movement of particles from high concentration to low concentration, which change will not speed up diffusion in an animal cell. Make the cell rounder. Which substance moves out respiring cells? Carbon dioxide. This is respiration. Waste product is carbon dioxide. Which word describes the loss of water from a damp leaf surface? Evaporation. In plant cells, what acts as a partial permeable membrane, cell membrane? Giving away the answer there. What happens to red blood cells placed in water? They split open through lysis. How do gases move in and out of leaves? Gases, diffusion. How are plants supported by turbo pressure? Inelastic cell wall. What will happen to cut fruit pieces sprinkled with sugar? They will lose water by osmosis. Pretty self-explanatory there. Water goes to the sugar to do the concentrations. Check that score and go to next. Water is transported from roots to shoots and leaves in xylem vessels. Sugars made in leaves are transported in phloem vessels. What type of transpiration is this? What is transpiration? Oh, the evaporation and diffusion of water from inside leaves. It's not fully explaining it, but yeah. How are the xylem and phloem arranged in plant roots? In the center of the root. What happens to the transpiration rate as light intensity increases? It increases. What happens to the transpiration rate as temperature increases? It increases. The movement of food substances through a plant is called translocation. You have to know it all, to be honest. One leaf adaptation to reduce excessive water loss is a waxy cuticle. Why does water uptake by a plant increase with airflow? Temperature increases causing more evaporation. Cooling of the leaf speeds up transpiration. No, that wouldn't help. Cool. Diffusion is faster when diffusion gradient is greatest. That is it. Why does water loss slow down if a plant is put into a plastic bag? The humidity increases pretty much. What is the chemical symbol for phosphorus? P. Why are magnesium compounds needed by plants? For photosynthesis. Two minerals needed by plants for respiration are phosphates and potassium compounds. Plants showing poor growth and yellow leaves. Poor growth and yellow leaves is likely to be deficient in nitrogen. What symptoms will a plant suffering from potassium deficiency show? Fruit growth, discolored leaves. NPK, nickel, potassium, chicken, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. What do plants need phosphorus? Why do plants need phosphorus? To make DNA. DNA can be very flexible, as many of you know. Used to make a gene. Used to code for different proteins. Particularly the base form of the protein. So yeah, which mineral is needed to enzymes for respiration and photosynthesis? Potassium. Active transport can move substances from a low concentration to a high concentration. Minerals are present in low concentrations in soil. They are taken up by root hairs, cells, through active transport. I think this is the last. No, two more. Detritus is dead decaying material. Which of these is most likely to increase the decay of a dead cat? Maggots. Which of these is most likely to increase the decay of a log? Wood lice. How do detritivores speed up the rate of decay? They increase the surface area of decaying material. What is the effect on decay rate of increasing the amount of oxygen? It increases. How is the rate of decay increased? As the sewage works, more oxygen is added. Why does heating the sewage would be just silly? It's just so much energy. Sewage already has water in it, to be pretty much sure. Why does adding salt preserve food? It removes water from the food. What method of food preservation is the least canning for strawberries? Which of these treatments kill bacteria? Boiling. They denature. Denature what? What? Okay, next. Which chemical should be used to kill green fly crops? Pesticide. Green fly. Which chemical should be used to kill molds on the crop? Fungicide. What does a herbicide do? It kills plants. The disadvantage of biological control is that the predator may not stay where it is needed. Also, it works only a fifth of the time. One advantage of fish farming is that it reduces the cost of catching fish. One advantage of keeping pigs indoors is that it reduces energy wastage. One advantage of producing organic food organically is lower environmental impact. Growing plants without soil is called hydroponics. Plants are growing in solution. Okay, let's check. 10 out of 10. Correct. 10 out of 10. 9 out of 9. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 9 out of 9. 8 out of 8. And this is why I don't like pesticides. It's too damn easy. Too damn easy. Too damn easy. Swear down. Okay, thanks for watching. I might do the same on what's my next? Chemistry, then physics. If not, enjoy the thanks for watching and hope to see you in the future. Bye.